Hi everyone, I'm Yukiko Yamashita. I'm a professor at MIT Biology Department. I study how cells use its instruction, the DNA genome, to become individual or different kind of cells.
Whoa, what is a cell? And what are we doing on a tennis court?
Well, cells are the fundamental unit of our body, right? We have about 100 trillion cells in our body.
Think of a human cell as being like a tennis ball. Everyone starts as one cell that has one set of instructions. As you develop, that one cell divides and your body grows. But if you come from one cell with one set of instructions, how do we end up with all kinds of cells? Like brain cells, skin cells, and gut cells? Why aren't we just a bucket of the same cell? Like a bucket of tennis balls?
Neurons have its own, role, and the skin cells have their own roles, and then gut cells have their own roles, and then they do very different things, but they all contain just a single one kind of instruction. And that is something, that's really many people are fascinated in the area of biology.
Now it's your turn to play around with this idea.
Hi, North Anglia student. Here's a challenge for you. I want you to make two different things as different as possible using these ingredients.
Pick any 3 ingredients or materials and make sure your whole group is using the exact same. You can think of these ingredients as the raw materials in a cell. Now, follow these instructions and see what you can come up with.
Just like cells.
So the ability of the cells to read the same instruction to become very different things, that is the really at the heart of why we are, the functioning human being, walking and then talking, thinking, instead of the bucket of the cells. Good luck, North Anglia students. I can't really wait to see your creative ideas of how to make different things.